In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to solve the E1 and E2 errors shown on your Accu Chek Glucometer. So the first reason for the Accu Chek Glucometer error is usually a defected strip. So strip can be defected in so many ways. Number one, once you expose a strip like this one to air, it can damage it. Another thing is that you cannot use a particular strip uh, multiple times. You can only use a strip once and you can never use it again. So for example, this particular strip has been exposed to air for a long time, and I also have another strip here that hasn't been exposed to air. So this is the two strip here right now. So I'm going to be showing you the difference and why this particular one won't work. So using the one that has been exposed to air for a long time, so you will realize that this one is giving an E1 error, showing that it has been damaged. So using this, the one that is still intact and has not been used or has not been exposed to air, you can see. So you can see that this one is actually working because it has not been exposed to any kind of damages such as exposure to air or any other thing. So another thing you should be checking out for, or rather you should be looking out for in a strip, is the expiry date. So whenever you are purchasing a strip, make sure you look for the expiry date. Once the expiry date has already passed, please don't purchase that kind of a strip because it has already spoiled. Don't ever purchase a strip that its expiry date has already passed. So it is also very important you know this. So, so the number two possible cause of this E1 error is usually a dusty panel. So once the panel of your Accu Chek is dusty, the first thing you need to do before using your Accu Chek is to clean it. So how do you clean the panel of your Accu Chek strip? All you need to do is to hold at this place and then slide it down to remove the panel cover. So this is the panel of your Accu Chek strip. So the next thing you need to do is to get cotton wool or anything that can aid you to clean it very well without applying more dust. So we clean it slowly like this. This is the panel here. So this is the panel here. So here. So after cleaning it, the next thing you need to do is to close it again. Is to close it. So this is it. So once I put back this Accu Chek strip, as you can see, it's working perfectly okay. You can see that. So this is possible number two cause of this Accu Chek E1 error. Another reason why your Accu Chek glucometer can show the E1 or the E2 error while using it is usually the battery. Once the battery starts to get weak, just know that there is a possibility that the Accu Chek glucometer will not be reading well as it used to. So always ensure to change the battery once in a while so that your Accu Chek glucometer will read well. You can be changing the battery once in 2 months or 3 months in order to enable the Accu Chek glucometer to function well. So the number four possible cause of the Accu Chek E1 error is usually the wrong application of the blood sample. Let's take for example, this is the Accu Chek strip and then this is the stripe you're going to use. So once I insert this stripe into the Accu Chek and then input the blood sample immediately, I will get the E1 error immediately. So to prevent your Accu Chek glucometer from not displaying the E1 error while using it to check your glucose level is to first of all bring your stripe and then insert it in your glucometer, then wait for the red light at the center of the stripe and then the blood indication there, Then the next thing you need to do is to impute the blood sample so that it can read. So this is it. It has read. This is as simple as that. And if after doing all of these that I just showed you right now and the glucometer is still not here working, please return it to where you bought it from so that they can change it for you, because with everything that I just showed you now, it can clear all the E1 and the E2 error that you are facing with your glucometer. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel so that once we release another video like this one, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching once again, and bye for now.